Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, I'm back with a new DIY, of course. So guys, in today's video I'm making a winter special face pack, which is like my favorite and I really love to apply that in winter. So I thought why not to share it with you all. So guys, I have been up this DIY face pack, which is a fresh cream face pack, which is organic fresh cream. So in today's video I will show you how to make this winter special face pack at home with organic fresh cream, which helps to get rid of your dry skin, your flaky skin. If you have any kind of like chapped skin, it will remove from your face. I think we should not waste our time. Let's just get into the video and I'll show you how to make it and of course how to apply it. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into it.
So take one empty bowl, एक खाली बर्तन ले लीजिए, उसमें आप एक फ्रेश क्रीम डालिए for about 2 tablespoon, या तो आप ज़्यादा भी डाल सकते हो. After that add honey for about 1 tablespoon, then some turmeric for about 1 tablespoon. Then mix all together. It will turn out like this. You can see it over here. After turning out like this, add some amount of oats powder. After adding the oats powder, इसको आप अच्छे से mix करो and it will change, like it will get a little thicker. So ये thick होने के बाद you just have to apply on your face.
So make sure your face should be clean. So I'm just cleaning up my face, like if I have any.
So here after cleaning my face, you can see I'm applying over here. यहाँ पे मैं लगा रहा हूँ पूरा clean होने के बाद. तो ये पैक लगाने के बाद आपको और कुछ भी लगाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, like no moisturizer, no nothing, because it will give you that radiant glow and also it will give you the texture of like smoothness. You don't need anything else to apply on your face because ये already इतना oily है कि आपका moisturizer का काम भी करेगा and also it will repair your skin from inside. Keep this for 15 minutes and then wash it off guys. Before washing 15 minutes के बाद just scrub your face like this. इसको circular motion में खींचना है थोड़ा.
So guys, that's it. Guys, this is the best pack for winter, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा struggle करना पड़ता है because आपको जब वो wash करेगा, don't wash with normal or cold water. Just wash it with lukewarm water so that आपका जो oiliness है वो चला जाएगा. And apply a gel based face wash which is good for your skin. So you can keep this pack at only for 2 days, not more than that. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं रखना है. 2 days आप फ्रिज में रख सकते हो and आप इसको रोज अप्लाई भी कर सकते हो. So guys, that's it. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share, and yes, don't forget to click the bell button to see my new and latest video for first. I hope to see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.